guys, it's Erica of Eating with Erica, and I am partnering with my friends at the Dairy Alliance. It is National Dairy Month, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple yet sophisticated berry cobbler. You can use a 13 by 9 baking dish. I'm going to be using these really cute small white ramekins and mini cast iron skillets because they're so cute, and if you're entertaining this summer, you can just leave them out and your guests can just grab one. For this recipe, you are going to need 4 cups of mixed berries. I have a combination of raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, okay? You are going to need your lemon zested, and you're just gonna pour them in. As you pour them in, you will be taking half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and you're gonna mix them. And you're gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes. Next, you are gonna take a stick of butter and a cup of milk and put it in the microwave for about a minute until it's melted. It may separate, and then you're gonna just have to blend it together. You are then gonna take a cup of flour and put it in a bowl. I'm gonna be using my KitchenAid. You're gonna take the flour, you're gonna take the remaining sugar, you are going to have the baking powder and the salt. And you're gonna blend them together. If you're not gonna use the KitchenAid, then you can whisk it together while slowly adding the butter and the milk mixture. So after you create your batter, make sure you set it aside, and then you add berries to your ramekins. I'm a huge berry lover, so I'm adding a little extra berries. This cobbler is more of a cake-based cobbler, so it's gonna be a little bit more cakey. So you're gonna add the berries, and then you're gonna add the batter, and then after you add the batter, you're gonna add more berries. With these, we're just gonna be adding the batter and topping with the berries. So I am pouring the batter over the berries, and then with the cast iron skillets, I did not pour any batter over berries. I'm just gonna top those with berries. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to place these in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. So we have taken our cobbler out of the oven, and I'm going to give it a taste. Delicious. I am adding a scoop of ice cream to mine just because I love it. Vanilla bean or any type of vanilla works perfect with this recipe. It's delicious. Thank you so much to my friends at the Dairy Alliance. This recipe was delicious. Make sure you guys celebrate National Dairy Month with this recipe. I hope you enjoy it.